Good morning, Hope School. It's Mrs. Vasilian, and I am back again with another day of Battle of the Books. Today we have the book Melissa versus Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Diaper Overload. Melissa, be who you are. When people look at George, they think they see a boy, but she knows she's not a boy. She knows she's a girl. George thinks she'll have to keep this a secret forever. Then her teacher announces that their class play is going to be Charlotte's Web. George really wants to play Charlotte, but the teacher says she can't even try out for the part because she's a boy. With the help of her best friend, Kelly, George comes up with a plan, not just so she can be Charlotte, but so everyone can know who she is once and for all. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Diaper Overload. In Diaper Overload, Book 17 of Diary of a Wimpy Kid series, from the #1 international best-selling author Jeff Kinney, Greg Heffley is finding out that the road to fame and glory comes with some hard knocks. When he decides to tag along with his brother Roderick's band, Loaded Diaper, Greg doesn't realize what he's getting into. But he soon learns that late nights, unpaid gigs, fighting between band members, and money troubles are all part of the rock and roll lifestyle. Can Greg help Loaded Diaper become the legends they think they are? Or will too much time with Roderick's band be a diaper overload? I hope that you take some time to log into the library Google Classroom and vote for which book you think should move on to the next round in Battle of the Books. If you are interested in checking out either one of these books, they are both available in the library. And just so you know, the book Melissa is also titled George, so you can check out either Melissa or George, and it is the same story. Remember, hope begins with you.